When I first started teaching the math without any technology supports, I noticed how the students were very lackadaisical in doing homework and getting it done in time to make it relevant.
When I first came into Fisher College in 2009, we were doing things very much the traditional way: hardcover textbooks, paper and pencil, homework and tests. I was concerned that they weren't getting the feedback that they needed when they were doing their work. You do a pencil and paper assignment, you write down the answer, you have no idea whether you got it right or wrong, and maybe it takes a week to get it back before you find out whether you have, and if it is wrong, by that point, who cares?
I think most departments have an issue with motivating students. Everybody wants their students to listen, to do their homework, to show up every day, and we were having problems. And we thought we needed to change our homework mode. We didn't know what we had, what was out there. So we saw the features that Enhanced WebAssign had, and we thought, okay, the homework part will work for us. So we adopted it, and we had no idea the other benefits that we would be gifted.
When they moved to WebAssign, I jumped right on it. I was one of the first people who adopted it in their course, and I saw the immediate change in the students' behavior and appreciation of their homework. They began to feel like it was more of a game, that they could go in and sit down and look at what was going on the screen and respond.
The benefits of WebAssign have been, every semester, we have students asking, can we use this next time? Can we use this next time? They want to do their homework, they do their homework. They're not happy with getting a 90% on their homework. They have to get 100% on the homework.
Students who use WebAssign for their homework assignments are given a variety of options for their answer choices. They can look through the answer choices and see, okay, which of these answers even makes sense in the first place? And if it's a non-multiple choice question and they get it wrong, they have to take that time to consider, why exactly did I get this wrong? So, and that's really how learning works, is by making mistakes, of course, and then finding out why you made that mistake. So this is not something that they were doing when we were working on pencil and paper.
One of the things that I do with WebAssign, with my students and their assignments, that I think they really feel appreciative about, is that, number one, I give them unlimited number of tries on their homework. And the WebAssign gives you up to 100 tries. And I'm sure most of them will get it done before they get to 100. I tell them if they get to 99, just forget the last try, you know? And that's really what it's all about, is to give them that hope and to give them that, you know, incentive to just keep trying, because you'll make it, you know, the little train that could, you know?
When it works, it's wonderful to see, and it's much more rewarding to take a student who comes in on day one and simply literally cannot add two numbers together and send them away 3 months later with the ability to do college level math.
Students who use the WebAssign on a regular basis pass our tests easier and faster. We allow students to retake, and students who use the software fully, do their homework, do quizzing, everything, they pass their test on their first try, and it really helps them and motivates them to keep going.